I'm going to be detangling their hair today. So you see how healthy, how full their hair is. So this is how we've been using this thing to detangling their hair. See, you can see their hair. I'm gonna put my pot here. This is the pot I need to use for this. And like I said, this seed I'm going to use. First, I'm going to put my hot water. So I'll be using this pot so I know the measurement. So there is 2 cups of water. In case you don't have this major cup, this is 1 to 3 teaspoons. This is 3 teaspoons, like that spoon you use to eat your rice. This is the 3 of it. All right. So the name of this seed is called flaxseed. See it is flaxseed. This is how it is. I order mine from Amazon. My major cup. This. So I'm doing my 3 kits today. 3 of them. One. See. So if you don't have this measure cup, you can use. That means you are using 4 tablespoons. So after I put the water, I'm going to allow it to cook for at least 15 minutes. Right. Stay tuned. So here, as you can see, it's almost ready. While you are cooking it, don't let it be too thick, because when it get cold, it will be more thicker. So you might not be able to use it. See, this is how we are going to sieve it, and you're going to see how it will be, because I will let it to cool down a little bit, the way it will not hurt my kids. So after that, I'll start using it on their hair. So this is the sieve I'm going to use to sieve it. If you have a napkin, if you prefer napkin, you can also use napkin. But this one is better for me to prevent me from burning my hand, So it does the work even better than me using napkin. As long as there is no seed in it, that's what matters, right? So there is the seed there. So here is it. These are my 3 kids. I'm going to be detangling their hair today. So you see how healthy, how full their hair is. So this is how we've been using this thing to detangling their hair. See, you can see their hair is kind of dirty, because they made their Christmas hair with this China jam they used to style their hair. So they've not washed it. So before they wash the hair, this is what I do. I detangling their hair, then before they wash it. So you see why you should take it out while it's light. So now it's kind of getting thick, you see. If not, you cannot even handle it when it's cold. Now you can see it's still smoky. That means it's still hot. See how it is. So the colder it is, the harder it becomes. That is why you use it when it's still warm. Don't use it cold. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So this is how I use flax seeds to distangle their hair. So as you can see, I'm making my 3 kids and my 3 girls hair. The 4th one I have not started making her hair yet. So and whenever they lose their hair, before they make it again. So this is how I do it when they lose their hair before I wash it. So this is the comb I'm using. The reason why I'm showing these 2 combs, in case you don't have this particular one I'm using. Sorry for the noise in my background, guys. It's my baby. She's playing. So in case you don't have this very one I'm using right now, this black one, you can use hairbrush. You can use any spacey comb that you have at home. Okay. So you see, like this hair now, you can also use it as hair gel. But the only thing you will do if you are using this hair as hair gel, always try to add oil to it when you are done making the hair. I've not tried it, but I noticed when I use it to detangle my children's hair, before I wash it, I know how it is, And what I will do, I will use it to make hair gel one day. And like I'm going to do my kids, for example, something like packing gel and all that. So I'm going to use it, and I will know really well how it is. But what I will say for now, before I use it, in case you decide to use it, and my advice is, when you are done using it, and don't use it much, like as if you are detangling your hair. Use it little. And another thing is, try, when you are done with the hair, try and add any oil you have in your possession to it, so that the hair will not come out, like the hair will be fine, but so that, because of this white substance that will stay in it later, you understand. So I'm going to use it to make hair gel for my children, to make their hair, or even for myself, to see how it's going to be. And I will also give you guys updates on how it goes. Okay, so this is how it is, guys. See the way I just did it now. When you are doing it, massage it, and yeah, you can, before you start combing it, use your hands to kind of open the hair, before you comb it. So this is the three of them. And yeah, their hair is fresh from me, and the hair I never been relaxed before. I hope you like this video. Like and share. Thank you so much. Bye for now.